Microwaves are like tiny little waves. You can't see them, but they are there. These waves are really good at making things hot, especially water. Imagine a bunch of tiny bouncy balls hitting your food. That's sort of what microwaves do. They make the water molecules inside your food vibrate super fast. All that vibrating creates heat, and that heat cooks your food. It's like a mini dance party in your microwave. Water is the key to microwave cooking. You see, most foods have water in them. When the microwaves hit the water molecules, they get excited and start to move around really fast. Think of it like this. Imagine shaking a bottle of water really, really hard. The water inside would get warm, right? That's kind of what's happening inside your food when you microwave it. Some foods are just meant for the microwave. Leftover pizza, zap it. Popcorn, microwave magic, soup, hot in a jiffy. These foods have lots of water, so they heat up quickly and evenly in the microwave. But remember, not all foods love the microwave. Things like steak or bread don't always cook so well. They can get tough or soggy. It's always best to check your food as it cooks. Microwaves are like the superheroes of the kitchen. They can heat your food up super fast. No more waiting forever for the oven to preheat. Plus, they are super easy to use. Even kids can learn to use a microwave safely. So next time you're feeling hungry and don't want to wait, just remember the magic of the microwave. It's the perfect way to enjoy a hot meal or snack in a flash.